Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Dance Knowledge. Today I am sharing with you Ramayana, their epic, and character of Ramayana. इंटरनेट में रामायण के ऊपर जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं मैंने वही पार्ट को चूज किया है इस वीडियो में। चले शुरू करते हैं आज की सेशन। Ramayana is one of the two major Sanskrit ancient epics of Hindu literature. It was composed by sage Valmiki. The Ramayana is an ancient Sanskrit epic which follows Prince Rama's quest to rescue his beloved wife Sita from the clutches of Ravana with the help of an army of monkeys. It is traditionally attributed to the authorship of the sage Valmiki and dated to around 500 BCE to 100 BCE. The great epic Ramayana is traditionally divided into 7 kandas, which are the following: Valakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, Sundara Kanda, Yodha Kanda, Uttarakanda. Each kanda deals with a particular period of Rama's life in chronological order. Next, character of Ramayana. Dasharatha, king of Ayodhya; Kaushalya, first wife of Dasharatha; Sumitra, second wife of Dasharatha; Kaikeyi, third wife of Dasharatha; Sri Ram, son of Dasharatha and Kaushalya; Bharata, son of Dasharatha and Kaikeyi; Lakshmana, son of Dasharatha and Sumitra; Shatrughna, son of Dasharatha and Sumitra; Sita, wife of Sri Ram; Urmila, wife of Lakshmana; Mandavi, wife of Bharata; Shrutakirti, wife of Shatrughna; Love and Kush, son of Sri Ram and Sita; Janaka, king of Mithila and father of Sita; Valmiki, name of great sage who look after Sita after Parityaga. I will discuss the rest of the characters of Ramayana in the next video.